You are managing an Azure SQL database named DB1 and are tasked with setting up SQL Insights. Which two resources must you provision to enable this monitoring capability? Option A, a storage account. Option B, a virtual machine. Option C, an Azure Logic app. Option D, an Azure function. Option E, a log analytics workspace. This question focuses on the infrastructure requirements for monitoring cloud databases using specialized tools. SQL Insights is a feature that provides advanced monitoring for your SQL instances. To get this running, you need to understand the architectural components involved, specifically which services act as the destination for diagnostic data and which components are responsible for actually collecting that data from your database instance.
I believe the correct answer is option B, a virtual machine, and option E, a log analytics workspace. To implement SQL Insights for Azure SQL Database, you need a destination for the telemetry data and a compute resource to run the monitoring agent.
A log analytics workspace acts as the central repository to store the collected metrics and logs. A virtual machine acts as the monitoring host, where the Telegraph agent is installed to perform the data collection. While an Azure function is technically another valid option for hosting the agent, pairing the workspace with a virtual machine is the standard deployment configuration for these monitoring requirements. Remember, for similar exams, always identify the core storage and compute components required for any monitoring service configuration. Other options, like logic apps or standard storage accounts, do not provide the necessary compute environment or native integration for the Telegraph agent used by SQL Insights.